through you, Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to put a specific question, and I want a specific answer. Honorable Minister, please, don't be shaky, don't be coward.
Honourable Member, please ask. Please a question. Supplementary
Yes.
question. This is a question
I'll come
over.
to that, sir. I'll come
I
to
have
that,
to
sir.
go by the
So I
rules
just
of
want-
procedure and conduct of business by this book.
Yes, sir, I agree.
Simply as that.
Yes. So I just like to get a clarity, so that this citizen of the state should know the mind of the government. I really wanted to know whether this incident taken place as what we observe is a pre-plan. So we just want to know the authority who give an order to arrest or to shoot at sight. Please be specific, because I don't want to see that any authority should harass or suppress our innocent youth just to show to the world that we, police, we are doing our own job.
You can answer for that. I'll allow.
Sir, as I said before, the government has already issued the notification number political 149/2021/3, date 20th August 2021, which will look into all those aspects.
Sir,
We move to.
Sir, you should understand. I'm asking my question. You do not answer my
He has
question.
to respond.
No. I just wanted to know whether arrest or shoot at sight.
Be specific.
Because why? We have seen the statement. It was totally contradictory among DGP, among Chief Minister and Home Minister. Whom to believe?
Okay.
They are playing dramatic. You are alleging me that I'm dramatic? How can it be? Please.
Honourable Member, this is completely objectionable, sir. This kind of behaviour is not something that we follow in this house.
Respect. We are not supposed to play dramatic out in this God's
Please
house.
sit down. I do not disturb you.
Honourable Member, please take a seat.
Please sit down.
Honourable Member, please take a seat.
Sir, the Honourable Home Minister has replied again and again and again that there is a judicial inquiry that is going on. It is inappropriate. Sir, it's inappropriate for the Honourable Minister to say something when an inquiry is going on. And therefore, he has said again and again that let the inquiry come out and let the entire report come out of the inquiry. And based on that, wherever action is to be taken, will be taken. So that is assurance we have given. But the process needs to be followed. One cannot just stand up here and start getting emotional and starting shouting things like this when we are saying that we had taken concrete steps. So judicial inquiry is the most powerful inquiry that can be set up in this situation to ensure that facts come out. And that is what this government has done, because we want the truth and the facts to come out and let everybody know. So therefore, the minister has replied again and again. So I don't feel the reason why the member has to continuously ask this question when we have already replied that a judicial inquiry has been constituted, and let the report come in, and based on the report, we will take necessary action, sir.
I'm not satisfied, sir. Please ask the Honourable Home Minister. Please. This is the only platform that we have to discuss. That we need to know the fact.
Okay, this is the last question.
I have already replied, sir.
Sir.